What's the meaning of brrr? Brrr. Brrr.
brrr. brrr. Brrr is an onomatopoeic word that represents the sound people make when they shiver due to feeling cold. The sound can often be heard in winter or in cold places, and it is also used to express discomfort or anxiety. The word is typically spelled with 3 or more R letters, which makes the sound seem longer and more pronounced. Brrr is a simple yet effective way to represent physical sensation through language, and it is a common expression of discomfort or unease that people use both online and in everyday conversation.